If you have been looking for a way to make aloe vera powder at home, you are at the right place. Hey guys, welcome to J3 Empire Hair, where we share hairstyles, growth tips, DIYs and many more. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button right now and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified whenever we post a video. Here is some aloe vera leaf that I got from my backyard. All you have to do is get a knife and cut them into thin slices, very thin slices, because you would need to dehydrate them, and if the slices are a bit big or bulky, it will take a longer time to dehydrate it. Do that for all the leaves of the aloe vera. Once you're done with slicing everything, you place the sliced parts one by one in a container. Then you put it in the oven and let it dry. That's one method. For the second method, you can put it under the sun for it to also dry. That will take about 3 days to a week. There's one thing you should take note of if you want to dry using an oven. Make sure you don't keep it for too long. I don't know how many minutes it will take, but make sure you don't use it for too long. If not, it will end up being like this. Once your aloe vera looks like this, you're good to go. So just pop it into the blender and you get your aloe vera powder. Are you going to try this at home? Please leave a comment telling me in the comment section.